In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a MySQL database in Plesk. Accessing your database through Plesk is a crucial skill for managing your website's data efficiently, and I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. So, no worries if you're new to this, we've got you covered. First, we need to start by logging into your Plesk control panel. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the login page provided by your hosting service. You'll need to enter your credentials, which typically include a username and password. If you're having trouble remembering these details, make sure to check previous emails from your hosting provider or reach out to their support team for assistance. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Plesk dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to look for the Websites and Domains section on your dashboard. This section is where all your website-related options are conveniently organized in one place. You'll see a list of domains and subdomains associated with your account. This is useful if you manage multiple websites, as it keeps everything easily accessible. From the Websites and Domains page, you'll notice a variety of options and settings. What you're looking for next is the Databases option. Clicking on this link will bring you to the screen where all your databases are housed. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area. Here, you will see a list of all the databases associated with your different website domains. Once you're on the Databases page, you have everything you need to access your MySQL database. You should see a list of databases with options to manage them. This is helpful if you're maintaining multiple databases, as each database serves a different purpose or belongs to a different project. To access a specific database, find it in the list and click on it. Now you're ready to manage your database. You have options to open it in a database management tool, like MyAdmin, or perform various operations such as adding tables, running SQL queries, or backing up data. These tools are powerful and will allow you to not only access data, but also maintain and optimize your database efficiently. And there you have it. Logging into your Plesk control panel, navigating through websites and domains, and selecting databases are the key steps to access your MySQL database. Remember, managing your database through Plesk comes with many options that can greatly enhance your website management capabilities, so take some time to explore and get comfortable with these features. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tutorials.